Hi, my name is Ana Clara Febriana de Monte with student number 04. I am from group 4.
Hi, my name is Ndayu with student number 002.
Hi, my name is Laura Nisha Azaria with student number 004.
Hi, my name is Saista Sikandari from student number 012.
Hi, my name is Nabila Zayan with student number 008.
And we are from group 4. I will explain about the game mechanics. The first one is about the setup teams. The teams will be divided into 2 teams and each team will need 3 players each. And also, there are some roles for each player. The first one is guesser. This is the person who guesses the slang word, its morphological process, and its synthetical usage. And then the descriptor. This is the person who describes the slang without using the word itself. And then the last one is the card holder. This is the person who holds the card with the slang and its details, the morphology and syntax. And the card holder will stand behind the guesser. Next up is about the range of the game area. The guesser and the descriptor will sit across each other facing one another. And the card holder should be behind the guesser and have a timer ready for the 5 minutes for each round.
The next step is to start the round. So, the card holder pulls a card from the deck and holds it behind the guesser without letting them see it. The descriptor begins describing the slang on the card to the guesser, avoiding mentioning the word itself. The descriptor first is allowed to mention the amount of alphabet or syllable consisted in the slang. Second one is allowed to use gestures, is allowed to use synonyms, and the last one is not allowed to give away the answer by nodding, shaking their head, or saying yes or no.
The next is the guesser's rule. The guesser listens to the descriptor's hints and tries to guess the slang word. After guessing the slang, the guesser also needs to correctly identify. First is morphological process like flipping, blending, etc. And the second is the synthetical usage like verb, adjective, noun, etc. And then you must take notes on the cards. Some slangs might have multiple synthetical usage. Guessing one of them will still be considered correct. Example like sus. So sus can be adjective and noun. The first is adjective like that situation seems sus. And the second is noun like he is acting like a sus. And then the next is both the descriptor and the guesser are allowed to skip the cards up to 5 times. If they are unable to describe or nor guess the card, the skipped cards will be placed at the back of the card deck by the card holder. And the guesser, there's a rules like first is allowed to use morphosyntax tree reference sheet, and the second is allowed to give one final answer only, no guessing multiple times. And the last is prohibited to ask the descriptor for confirmation or clarification about their guesses before giving their final answer.
So, for the fifth is scoring points. 1 point is earned if the guesser correctly guesses all 3 elements. The first is the slang word, the second is the morphological process, and the third is the syntactical usage. If the guesser guesses a card incorrectly, the card will be placed at the back of the card deck by the card holder. However, if the guesser guesses a card correctly, the card will be set aside and kept by the card holder as a point. The total points will be calculated based on the correctly guessed cards held by the card holder. 1 card is 1 point. And the sixth is about timer and turn rotation. A 5-minute timer runs for each round. The term must guess as many slang terms as possible before the time runs out. After one team finishes their round, the other team takes turn and repeat the process. The seventh is winning the game. After each team finish their rounds, the team with the most points wins. And the last one is game enhancements. A morphosyntax key differentiate if the guesser needs help understanding morphological process or syntactical usage. Satu, dua, tiga. Go.
Okay, so this is when you couples. For example, idols, yes. And then the morphosyntax. Shoe, merch shoe.
Oh,
Shoe brand. And then
conversion now.
yay! Next one is what you think so much like. When you what do you use when you want to record serious? Like someone will say, "I promise." Yeah. Yeah. So, it's like when you want to focus on someone's performance. No, like it's there. Two words like me and the subject animals. What am I? No. Yes. Last time. 8, 7. It's like, I want attention. I just took attention. 3, 2, 1. The abbreviation of greatest of all time. Go. And then the morphological process is derived from abbreviation. There is initialism and the acronym. Yes. And then the word class is noun.
Yes.
Yay! It's like someone who is doing like something else. Oh yes, another one. Yes. And what is oh. You said what you and your yes. No. You are really touching someone. Yes. And then yes. And then what is someone is oh yeah, yes. From the okay. She has suspicious, but you are just it's forward something.
Ten, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.